What is going on, Dogecoin army? Welcome to my channel. I know it's been a couple days, but I got you guys with the Dogecoin update here on the weekly, as Dogecoin is above 20 cents again. And believe it or not, right before I started, right when I clicked the record button, Dogecoin was under 20 cents. It was like 19 something. As soon as I click it, 20 cents. So that is awesome to see Dogecoin back over 20 cents. This is the thing right here. It's a battle between the bears and the bulls, and the battle is right here at the 0.5. And I've been telling you guys, as long as we hold that 0.5 and we can confirm that as support, clear support, Dogecoin is going to start moving very volatile. And you can see there's a reason why we just been up and down under here, because it's a battle, right? And once the battle is clear that the bulls win and we can confirm that support, Dogecoin is going to have another major move, just like it did right here, right? Just like boom, right there. And the next main target is that 0.38, which is around 27 cents, right? So 28, 27, that is the next major target. But I would say that at least by the beginning, sometime in summer, we're going to be up here very fast, around 40 cents. I can see that happening very soon. And you got to understand, as we get closer into the bull market peak, things are fast. Things move very fast in crypto. So people are going to be surprised at how fast, not just Dogecoin, but the overall market is moving. And I want to show you guys here, because I always show you Fibonacci, and I keep you up to date on Fibonacci because it's a big part of my technical analysis. But let's take a look here at my own indicator, which I created, which is one of the few things that I sell. The only thing that I sell are my indicators and charts. That's it. And you can access them in Patreon, but Patreon is not like a group texting, like, you know what I mean? It's just for selling my products. And I'm honestly been thinking of switching to like another website which is just focused on products, so I'm gonna look into that. But you can access it on Patreon. I already have a couple people that use it. Thank you to those that do. But here it is. I want to show you guys here how I use my indicator, and I'm gonna look at Dogecoin here with you using my own indicator that I created about a year ago. And I'm gonna go through the time frame. So this is on the monthly, and my indicator's purpose is to make it very simple, the structure, how it's looking. We can see that the monthly, this is an extreme bullish structure where we bottomed here for multiple months. This was multiple months, like, my bad, this is on the weekly. So for multiple weeks, Dogecoin holding that middle Keltner band, which this is the middle Keltner band on my indicator. That's the middle Keltner band. Multiple weeks, like this was your signal to buy. Dogecoin was around 8 cents, and I remember I was buying a couple Dogecoin around there, just hanging that middle Keltner band on the weekly, until finally it got tired and we had a huge pump above the Keltner band. And so far we've been closing above the middle Keltner band ever since on the weekly. That is a very bullish structure. Okay, and you can see right here on my indicator that we have yet to come back here into the middle Keltner band and close inside of it. Now, I do believe that this will happen in the future, right? But this is just signaling the fact that we're gonna have some more parabolic moves here, and I can guarantee you this happened last time. If you go right here, last time, okay, this is the last pre-halvening, you can see that we go above the middle Keltner band and just boom, we're just pumping above the middle Keltner band, until we finally come back here, bounce again in the middle Keltner band. Did I say middle? I meant top over here. But we come back here, bounce off the middle. So at some point, I believe Dogecoin on the weekly is gonna come and touch that middle Keltner band. But it could be months from now. Okay, so that's what I'm watching here on the weekly, from when we have that big dip for Dogecoin to bounce off the middle Keltner band. Now, let's take a look here at the daily, how we're looking. Even the daily, very bullish structure here according to my indicator, because you can see that we are bouncing off the middle Keltner band on the daily, and we're starting to pivot back up here. Okay, that's very bullish, and it's creating a higher lows, right? Let's take a look here at the 4 hour. So the 4 hour coming up here towards the top of the middle Keltner band, so we might get a little bit of rejection there, come down a little bit, back under 19 cents again, and then continue this really nice uptrend here and try to break the previous highs here from Dogecoin around 22, 23 cents. So according to my indicator, we're looking very bullish on many time frames. Let's actually take a look at the hourly. No, look, this is another thing. This is why my indicator is made not just for long term. This honestly is made for all terms, right? If you're looking to scalp, to swing trade, day trade, you can see right here. This is on the hourly, and on the hourly, Dogecoin has just been on a tear. Okay, holding the middle calendar band, boom, above it, come back near, above it. So this is a structure that's just wanting to go up parabolically very, very soon. And right here, I don't know if you guys can see right here at the bottom, right? If you go right here on the weekly, we can see right here at the bottom, this is my other indicator, and that I also do sell. That's basically a modified stochastic RSI, money flow, which is MFI, which is in green, and then we have the purple, which is the regular RSI. And basically the stochastic RSI is more momentum, the regular RSI is more long-term, right? It's less momentum, more long-term. It takes a lot for it to move, basically. And we can see that on the weekly, this is actually very bullish. The purple, right, the regular RSI, finally above overbought territory. Now you might think that's bearish, like, oh my gosh, we're very overbought on the RSI on the weekly, right? Not just on the stochastic, because like the stochastic, up, down, up. So it's very momentum based. It's very sensitive. We haven't been up here for a while on the regular RSI. You can see that, okay, this entire bear market, basically, we come up here a little bit, come back down, and now we're finally above it, and we're staying above it. You can see right here on the weekly. And the reason why I say this is bullish is because even if we come back here in time, okay, last pre-bull market, you can see that once Dogecoin starts moving up here, starts pumping, the RSI comes above very overbought territory, the purple, right? But guess what happens? Once it comes above here, Dogecoin keeps pumping. See, that is its signal. When the RSI stays above here, that's another signal that Dogecoin keeps pumping and pumping and pumping, even with it overbought on the weekly. So basically, the main thing here is that just because we're overbought on the regular RSI on the weekly doesn't mean that we're just gonna flip opposite very soon in a couple weeks and go back here into, you know, the middle ranges here from overbought and oversold. And it's basically a lagging indicator that has a pattern. Okay, even right here it lags. So right here, I don't know if you can see this, but we got some bearish divergence right here, which is signaling a huge drop in the future, which happens. So right here, Dogecoin is around 9 cents, right? But then right here, when Dogecoin hit like 40 cents or so, we got some bearish divergence, right? Now, did it happen right away? No, because Dogecoin went even higher. It went to 70, 75, 73 cents. But this bearish divergence was accurate because it was signaling the fact that Dogecoin was looking very weak and it was going to start dropping very soon. So that was signaling the fact that the top was going to be in a couple weeks or so. And you can see that happen. Boom, big drop, and then we have another bearish divergence, very bearish, another, we just keep going down into the bear market. So this is how I use my indicator, and this is what I'm gonna look for this as we get closer here into the bull market for any bearish divergence signals here for Dogecoin, just like we did right here. Because you got to understand, this was your signal that the top was going to be in very soon, which it was. This was another signal that we're going to keep dropping hard into the bear market, which we did. You see that? So that's why I love, the only indicators that I use are mine, and then the other ones that I haven't, you know, that are other indicators that I use are the 50 and 100 MA, and sometimes the Gaussian channel. But I love using my own indicators because it kind of gives me a clear picture on how we're looking here, if we're bullish or bearish. But yeah, so far it looks like we're gonna start ripping for Dogecoin very soon. And like I said too in my past videos, the other signal is this right here, right? The 50 going above the 100 on the weekly. And the reason why that is so significant is because that hasn't happened here since last pre-bull market, when Dogecoin went bananas, right? Going from under pennies to 75 cents, right? Like 100x plus. That hasn't happened since right here, okay? And that happened right there, boom. Dogecoin went parabolic. Then we flipped back right here, back in 2022. And now we're finally flipping back up. That is, I haven't heard anyone in the Dogecoin YouTube community talk about this on the weekly. We're getting a lot of signals here, not just from one indicator, not just from the Fibonacci, not just from my indicators, but many indicators that this is going to be a very parabolic year for Dogecoin and for the overall markets. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be bringing you guys more Dogecoin updates. Let me know what other coins you guys want me to make updates for instead of just Dogecoin. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to join the free Telegram and enter the giveaway. It's 100% free in the pinned comment. Peace.